Hello students. So today topic is a mobile application software. Mobile application. Mobile application या फिर application in a software or mobile device like tablet, smartphone, etc. use a mobile application software. Okay. This application can be used for doing different day-to-day tasks. For example, banking app will let you perform the banking transaction, shopping app let you perform the shopping, and the school app will keep you touch with the school activities. So that is a mobile application software. That means you use on the mobile. Okay, not in computer system. You use only on mobile. There are a variety of applications which can be downloaded from the platform like Play Store or any other such platform. These applications cannot be run on the desktop or laptop. Rather, these are small applications which can be easily be run on the mobile device such as smartphone and tablet. Okay. The interface of such application is designed in a way that these can be easily be viewed and navigated on touch screen compact device. Okay. The mobile application or application are designed for a specific operating system platform. For example, an application meant for Apple iOS. Apple iOS. Okay. Cannot run on Android phone. Okay, because Android based phone या फिर vice versa. These app can be easily developed, and nowadays many online platform available using which one can easily develop an app for a specific purpose. That means it is used only the Apple phone. Okay, iPhone, not only in Android phone. विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपका जो विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग. इन एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज ओनली मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ mobiles and tablets and smartphone, and Windows operating system also run on the mobile या tablet or smartphone. But mobile, Windows mobile is different from Android mobile. Okay. So that is a mobile application in a new term in the software paradigm that has come into the existence in the recent year. Okay. So that is a mobile application software. What is encryption and decryption tools? Encryption is the process of encoding the data in the form that is not understandable till the time it is encoded. That means when you write, for example, if you write a computer, but I write this computer in encoded form. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hash. Okay, that is a encoding. You cannot understand these code. What is write this? Okay, because that is a encoded form. It is understand when you decode this in decode, then you understand what is this. Okay. So you can say that encryption helps in protecting data from an unauthorized access. Even if someone has accessed an open encrypted file, she will not be able to understand it till the time she decoded this. Okay. It with the decryption key. Decryption is the reverse process of encryption. Decryption is the reverse process of encryption. An encrypted file can easily be decoded by using the key decrypt file. There are many free encryption and decryption tools available on the internet that has been used by encrypting and decrypting file and protecting them from unauthorized person, because unauthorized person cannot access these files. So we have to encode these files in encryption form. Okay, and after reaching the authorized person, it decode this file into for the decryption process. Okay, that is the encryption and decryption tools. So students, आपका ये चैप्टर नंबर 3 फिनिश हो गया है. इसके पहले आपका सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर सर ने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था. मैंने एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर और मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. ये चैप्टर फिनिश हो गया है. इसके बाद हम लोग न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, दैट इज़ द कम्युनिकेशन एंड कंटेंट टेक्नोलॉजी. ओके क्लास, थैंक यू.